Stone House Homestead, where we're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency. We haven't posted in quite a while. Lots of craziness with this whole thing going on, I won't say, but this whole thing going on. But anyway, we did get a garden in. We did a lot of work this year, digging up beds and putting weed blocker down and then putting dirt back in and mixing it with mulch. And so anyway, these are our, over here, now we've had issues that have almost driven me to the point of insanity with groundhogs and rabbits. So fences, still in the job. And John also put down some...
This is hardware cloth.
Yes.
It's great because when I'm weed whacking, the string doesn't get caught up in it like it does with chicken wire or whatever.
Yeah, and John also has it underneath the barn on both sides so that the groundhog and the rabbits don't have a place to hide. So anyway, we have yellow beans. These are dragon tongue beans. We've got cantaloupe there, cucumbers there. Over here we've got golden beets over there, red beets here. Garlic that's ready to come up soon, onion. This bed hasn't been dug up. That's why it's almost ready to be harvested, and once it is, we're gonna dig it up and put weed blocker underneath, put the soil back and amend it. And then we've got a little tiny patch of carrots over there. And here we've got peas that are getting ready to be picked. So looking very forward to picking these. I love fresh peas. And then over here, well, this is corn. It's called First Lady, and it's almost every single seed in here, with just a couple exceptions, are from Baker Creek, and this is called First Lady. And then here we've got pumpkins coming up. And some spaghetti squash. I had to restart most of these because the groundhog ate them. It's the same with, we lost all of our cauliflower, broccoli, and cabbage to groundhogs too. So anyway, we'll try that again in the fall. And then over here on the other side, we've got potatoes. We've got some eggplants. We've got 35 amongst these trellises, 35 different, well, not different, we have 35 tomato plants of 4 different kinds of tomatoes. We've got a couple cherry tomatoes. The rest are plum tomatoes for salsa, pastes, that kind of thing. Of course, we've got basil here. I grow with my tomatoes usually. 15 different pepper plants are interspersed. So as you can see, I've got all my nightshades in one area. Careful. All my nightshades in one area, root vegetables in another. I try to keep like items together and then rotate them every year. And then we've got some kale, nothing really exciting over there. Some kale, some spinach, some romaine lettuce, horseradish. Horseradish is going nuts over there.
Awesome.
Yeah, John will be so happy. We're in the process of getting this bed ready. I'm going to put some flowers in here. And then I've got to cut down my herbs and get the weeds out. But I've got mint that's taken over. I've got oregano, catnip. This is horehound, medicinal for cough drops. Of course, a little lavender here. That's the horseradish.
Wow.
Wanda. Got some cilantro coming up, parsley, and then I just planted a few little things over here. We took a trip to Monticello, to Thomas Jefferson's estate, and I bought some seeds from his garden, and those over there are nasturtiums from Monticello. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so that's what we have going on this year right now. On the other side too, we put in some strawberry bushes, and we put in strawberry plants, and blueberry bushes are in this year too. So we won't get anything this year, but we'll get some next year. Yeah, so once we finish amending the rest of the beds, I think for next year we're going to have a really, really good garden. I'm going to have all these beds hopefully planted out and try to see if we can get enough to take us through the year of everything. That's going to be my goal next year. See if we can plant enough to take us through the year. So anyway, that's what's going on. I've got some rosemary over there. Some dill's coming up. So anyway, so that's what's going on here. We just got back from a walk in the park with the boy over here, and it's a humid, muggy day today, but it was good to get some exercise. And so anyway, I hope your garden is very successful. I hope things are going well with it if you've planted one this year. I know my sister-in-law and her family planted one this year, my brother's family, and theirs is going gangbusters, their first garden, and we were able to help them with that, and I'm really excited about seeing everything that's coming up in their garden too. So anyway, as always, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you like this video, or I don't know, is this going on our Facebook page?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, just give us a thumbs up or like us or whatever you do on Facebook. I'm hot. So anyway, have a great day. We'll see you later.